Are you looking for the best DJI drone to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level? Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional pilot, DJI has a drone that fits your needs. In this video, we'll break down the top DJI drones of 2025, ranked based on performance, features, and value. From ultralight beginner-friendly models to high-end cinematic machines, we've flown and tested them all to bring you the ultimate list. DJI continues to dominate the drone industry with its cutting-edge technology, top-tier camera systems, and intelligent flight modes. Each drone in this lineup has been selected based on its image quality, ease of use, flight time, obstacle avoidance, and overall value. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest drone reviews and tech insights. Also, check out the product links in the description for the latest deals on these drones. Now, let's get started. Number 5. DJI Avata 2, the best FPV drone for thrill seekers. If you love high-speed, immersive flying, the DJI Avata 2 is the ultimate FPV, first-person view drone. Unlike standard drones that focus on cinematic smoothness, this drone is designed for adrenaline junkies who want an action-packed flight experience. One of the biggest upgrades is its 1.13-inch CMOS sensor, which delivers better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper details. The newly redesigned DJI Goggles 3 provide ultra-clear visuals, making you feel like you're actually inside the drone. Another major advantage? The panic button, which immediately slows the drone to a hover, perfect for beginners who are learning FPV flight. The 23-minute flight time per charge allows you to enjoy longer sessions, while its aerodynamic profile ensures smooth, stable flight. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action shots, weaving through obstacles, or chasing high-speed subjects, the Avata 2 is an absolute game-changer for FPV enthusiasts. Number 4. DJI Air 3S, the best all-rounder drone. If you want a perfect balance of power, features, and affordability, the DJI Air 3S is your best bet. This dual-camera drone takes everything great about the DJI Air 3 and improves it with a larger 1-inch sensor for sharper, more detailed images, even in low light. A key upgrade is the LiDAR technology for its front-facing obstacle sensors, which provide better collision avoidance, making flights safer and smoother. The 45-minute battery life ensures long, uninterrupted sessions, and with 4K video, subject tracking, and automated flight modes, this drone is a powerful tool for both hobbyists and professionals. What makes the DJI Air 3S stand out is its versatility. It's compact enough for travel, powerful enough for professional content creation, and packed with intelligent flight features. It's one of the best drones for those who want premium-level performance without the high price tag of the Mavic 3 Pro. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the best drone for aerial photography. For those who demand the best image quality in a consumer drone, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is unmatched. This flagship drone is the first of its kind to feature 3 cameras, including a 24mm 4/3 sensor and 2 telephoto lenses, 3x and 7x optical zoom, offering unparalleled versatility for photographers and filmmakers. Its adjustable aperture, pro-tier video modes, and D-Log-M color grading make it a favorite among professional cinematographers. Despite its high-end features, it remains easy to fly, thanks to advanced obstacle avoidance, intelligent tracking, and a stable flight system. With a flight time of up to 43 minutes and a 15-kilometer transmission range, the Mavic 3 Pro is a cinematic powerhouse, giving you the freedom to capture breathtaking aerial shots with incredible detail. If you need Hollywood-level drone footage at a fraction of the price, this is Number 2. DJI Mini 4K, the best value drone for beginners. If you're new to drones and want a budget-friendly option with excellent performance, the DJI Mini 4K is a fantastic choice. It's the most affordable sub-250-gram DJI drone, yet it still delivers high-quality 4K video, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and a 31-minute flight time. This drone is perfect for first-time pilots because it's easy to control via the DJI Fly app, featuring automated flight modes and an intuitive interface. While it lacks obstacle avoidance and subject tracking, Its 2x digital zoom and rock-solid image stabilization make it a fantastic entry-level drone for anyone looking to capture smooth, cinematic footage without breaking the bank. The Mini 4K proves that affordable doesn't mean low quality. It's a compact, capable, and beginner-friendly drone that offers incredible value for its price. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro, the best overall DJI drone. Taking the top spot as the best DJI drone of 2025, the DJI Mini 4 Pro sets a new standard for lightweight, high-performance drones. Weighing under 250 grams, it bypasses many drone regulations, making it easier to fly in more locations. With 4K 100 frames per second video recording, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and subject tracking, the Mini 4 Pro is perfect for beginners who want an easy-to-fly, feature-packed drone. Its 1.3-inch CMOS sensor ensures sharp, vibrant images in any lighting condition, making it a favorite among travelers, vloggers, and professional aerial photographers. What truly sets the Mini 4 Pro apart is its D-Log-M video profile, which allows for color consistency with higher-end DJI drones like the Mavic 3. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes, shooting real estate videos, or creating travel content, the Mini 4 Pro is hands down the best sub-250-gram drone you can buy. So, there you have it, the best DJI drones of 2025 ranked and reviewed. Whether you're looking for an FPV thrill ride, a pro-level cinematic tool, or an affordable entry-level drone, there's a perfect option for you on this list. Which DJI drone is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd love to fly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert reviews and drone comparisons. All product links are in the description, so check them out for the latest deals and prices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.